Mayor Adams was in federal court today as a judge decides whether to dismiss the case against him. And tonight, he fired back at people who were demanding his resignation. Dick Brennan has more on that.
And if ever I reach the point that I believe I do not have the capacity to handle the city that I love under crises and non-crises, I would not stay in this job.
What would you do?
I would leave.
You would resign?
Yes, yes.
But Mayor Adams says he's not going anywhere, that he's done nothing wrong, and that he's made no deals on immigration enforcement with the Trump administration in exchange for dropping federal corruption charges against him. And Adams was asked about a recent appearance with border czar Tom Homan, who had said this.
If he doesn't come through, I'll be back in New York City, and we won't be sitting on the couch. I'll be in his office, up his butt, saying, where the hell is the agreement we came to? So
the mayor said it was not a threat, but just a joke.
And he spoke with me, he says, Eric, we're on TV. I should not have said that. I apologize to you.
The mayor appeared in federal court before Judge Dale Ho as the Department of Justice moved to drop the charges against him. The acting head of the Southern District of New York, Daniel Sassoon, resigned in protest over the move. Alice Gaynor covered the hearing.
It was a packed courtroom, and when Mayor Adams entered, he had a very serious expression. His hands were in his pockets. He scanned the room. He stopped at the front row in the gallery, which is where his pastor was sitting. He embraced him, and then he moved on and sat at his table with his attorneys.
Deputy Attorney General Emile Bove, appearing as the sole representative of the DOJ, argued the case stood in the way of Adams governing the city and hindered him from carrying out the president's immigration policies. The judge said he would reserve ruling on the motion.
It seems quite clear that Judge Ho will, in almost all certainty, dismiss this case in accord with the wishes of the Department of Justice and the defendant.
The judge didn't rule immediately because, as he put it, he didn't want to shoot from the hip. That ruling could come in a few days. At Gracie Mansion, Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.